And let's kick things off with a bang. Newton's real estate market has seen a jaw-dropping 143% gain in value. That's correct, a whopping 143%.
Welcome, folks, to the latest real estate market for Newton, Massachusetts, brought to you by Dwell360 Real Estate. Today, John and I are excited to bring some fantastic news about the real estate market ending for 2023.
We've got a lot to share. Despite record low inventory, we are left with record high average sale prices for single-family homes, condominiums, and multifamily properties. The most expensive residential sale in Newton for 2023 was a jaw-dropping mid-century single-family home that sold for $6.25 million. It was situated on 1.3 acres, and the property had an in-ground pool and picturesque grounds.
And on the other end of the spectrum, the lowest residential sale in Newton for 2023 was a cozy little condo that sold for $395,000 in the Auburndale section of Newton, consisting of 532 square feet and a 7-unit residential building. Now let's break down these numbers a bit for 2023, with 774 homes sold, consisting of single-family homes, multifamily homes, and condominiums, with a median sale price of $1,425,000, and about 47% of those properties that were sold were in the sweet spot in Newton between $1 and $2 million.
And let's talk about new construction. 37 of the single-family homes were new builds, half were contemporary, and the other half had a more traditional or transitional architectural style.
Now, let's break down those average sale prices for you, with multifamily homes coming in at a strong sales price of $1,432,000, a gain of 137% over 20 years.
Condos have seen a 138% increase in value over the last 20 years to $1,118,000.
And single families, well, they're leading the pack, with an average sale price of $1,963,000, the highest, and with a 20-year growth of 143%.
And for those people who enjoy crunching numbers, here's a little tidbit. On average, for all three asset classes we're talking about, it took just 27 days to snag an offer. Pretty impressive.
And for those that are curious about price per square foot averages, we have you covered, with multifamilies coming in at $438, condos are at $551, and the average single-family price is $584 per square foot.
Now let's talk about inventory. We're looking at 635 single-family homes that came on the market in 2023, the fewest listings in the last 20 years.
Now here's a visual for you. In 2005, we had a whopping 1,110 listings, and for further reference, 735 came on the market in 2008, 856 in 2011, it went down to 774 in 2016, and then 781 in 2021.
This graphic and all other graphics will be available in the link in the description. But here's the kicker: due to the higher interest rates and the lack of supply, we saw the lowest number of single-family homes sold in the last 20 years in Newton, just 435 homes sold. As we talked about in previous videos as well, 22.6% of those sales were with cash buyers, and on average, those who got a mortgage put 35% down.
Fear not, Newton has been a solid real estate investment, with home prices skyrocketing 143% over the past 20 years, far outpacing Massachusetts. That's a 100% gain, as well as inflation increase of about 67.2%, and the median household income of about 83.5% in Massachusetts.
Yeah, so there you have it. Newton Real Estate is not just a great place to live, but it is a wise investment and a hedge against inflation. So if you own a home here, great decision. If you're on the hunt for your dream home or looking to sell your current home, Dwell360 Real Estate is here to advise you on how to make your plans a reality.